Okay, hello guys, how is everybody doing? Today, as I've said earlier today, actually in that market breakdown video, I've talked about new US dollar longs because the dollar index's sell-off could be over, and I've talked about potential new US dollar longs. And today I've invited here also the swing trading groups members, only because yeah, we'll talk also about potential swing positions, and yeah, we'll look for potential new trading opportunities right now here live. So Fred, hi from France. Hi, how are you? So please guys, if you have questions, if you want me to ask me something, if you have questions, please, I'm waiting your questions on that YouTube chat. And first of all, as you already know, you have to read the disclaimer. It's really, really important to understand the risks before trading, guys. Okay, and it's important also to understand that the past performance in trading is not a reliable indicator of future performance. Okay, also, don't forget that the only way to communicate with Learn to Trade is via this email. If you send an email to support, okay. And Giovanni, hi, how are you, Giovanni? Jan, hi from Poland. Hi, how are you? So I will close this window, and first of all, let's take a look on the economic calendar. First of all, okay, because you knew that the ADP non-farm employment change and ISM services PMI are seen as high impact events. Jan, Euro USD, how do you now it go down or go up? Jan, please tell me what you are looking at as well. Do you want to go long? Do you want to go short? Please tell me your time frame as well. Okay, so ISM services PMI and ADP non-farm employment change as high impact. I have a question, two questions. Your trade performance lately are not so fantastic as at the beginning of year. Do you plan to modify and do something in your strategy? Giovanni, are you talking only about my strategy or about Learn to Trade? Yeah, so yeah, Giovanni, personally, yeah, I'm working at something, and right now I'm still testing and back testing something because I need something like yeah, I'm working at something like a new confirmation, okay, for my setups, and I will come back with my maybe, I don't know if it will be a new approach, but personally I will have something like maybe only yours. Okay, Giovanni, yeah, thank you. Yeah, it's not fantastic. A lot of trades closed at break even. Yeah, I've had to manage my trades like today. That Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, and that's why, Giovanni, personally, yeah. So this was my trade. I've had to manage it here. My stop loss was at break even. Sorry, my stop loss was at break even, and my position closed at break even. Yeah, maybe I should have took some profits here around the R2 after false breakouts. Yeah, okay, yeah, Giovanni, but Giovanni, please understand that personally I'm presenting a disclaimer all the time, and I'm telling you all the time that the past performance in trading is not a reliable indicator of future performance. Okay, so yeah, the same strategy, I don't know, maybe the same strategy or approach won't work, maybe, or maybe I don't know, maybe we're missing something when we use the same strategy or approach, and that's why you need to work on your strategy. Yeah, and that's why, Giovanni, I've said that I've worked in the last weeks and months at something like I will not call it a new strategy, but I will have new entries maybe. I hope that's better entries, and yeah, I will keep you updated, Giovanni. Okay, so Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, I've had to manage my position because let's take a look, and then I will come back to the economic calendar. Unfortunately, yen basket failed here to make a new lower low breakout, and that's why maybe the sentiment changed in the short term. That's why I had to manage my my position. Okay, I had to manage my my position, and also I've had also a pending order in euro Japanese yen, and that setup was invalidated for now. So let's go back. Okay, ISM services PMI and ADP non-farm employment change as high impact indicators. Yeah, sure, I know that the strategy have to evolve, and this was exactly my question. Yeah, okay, thank you, Giovanni, for a question. And if you have other questions, I will keep an eye also on the chat. Do you have an opinion about US oil, crude oil, and natural gas? An opinion, but please tell me what you are looking at, first of all. Okay. 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 So, as I've said, better than expected US data, ADP non-farm employment change, and ISM services PMI, better than expected, okay? So 56.7 above 56.0 expected, 56.9 and compared, actually, yeah, better than expected, and below 56.9 in the previous reporting period. Also, ADP non-farm employment change better than expected, and also better compared to the previous reporting period. Okay, so here final services PMI 49.3, okay, versus 49.2. And the trade balance here better than expected as well. So better than expected US data. Let's take a look. Better than expected data forced the dollar index to escape from this pattern. Okay, from this pattern. And let's take a look, because as I've said, I've invited also the swing trading groups members, and please take a look here. Strong upwards movement, and this was maybe only a temporary retreat here, and that's why personally I'm looking for potential US dollar longs right now. Okay, aggressive breakout right now in the short term. It has reached resistance. Okay, it has reached resistance. Okay. And personally, yeah, I would like to see a temporary retreat, the dollar index to retest the S1 and the broken downtrend line before really developing a new leg higher, a new swing higher here. Okay, so that's why I'm looking for potential US dollar longs. I've told you earlier today in that market breakdown that when the dollar index was here, okay, that it could find support maybe here, and I've said that failing to approach and reach maybe this the downside line, the channel's downside line, also could signal that maybe the corrective phase could be over. Okay, so US data better than expected, and right now this rally, as I've said, I would like to see a retreat here or a value breakout here before it will really develop an upwards movement, because right now, yeah, I will take a look on the US dollar pairs. Let's take a look, and then yeah, I will talk about the US oil as well, about natural gas. Okay, I will take a look on gold, silver. Yeah, so I will be here for you guys if you have questions. So let's take a look. Let's start with euro USD. Maybe we'll identify something. Strong sell-off after reaching parity. Maybe I will delete my drawings, trying to identify something. Okay, also here, after dropping below this immediate or near-term uptrend line, yeah, I would like maybe to see test retests, okay? Test retest, the price to come back down to test retest before turning to the downside, before really developing a new downside movement. This is my opinion about Euro USD. Also here, British pound US dollar. Maybe I would like the price to test retest this this downtrend line. Okay, it has failed to stabilize above the downtrend line. So if it retests here, then something like this. Okay, and I'm looking at something like this. But the reason why I don't want right now to sell at market or to go long at market on the US dollar, it's only because I've said that I would like to see a retreat on the dollar index, and a retreat on the dollar index could yeah, force the price to come back higher and to retest also maybe the previous highs before dropping deeper. US dollar, Japanese yen. I don't like the price action here, okay, on this market, so that's why no, I don't want to do anything maybe here on this market. US dollar, Japanese yen. Okay. But we still have, as long as we are still below 144.99, no, I don't want to do anything here on this market. Sideways movement, US dollar, Canadian, dollar, yes, strong rally. Aggressive rally after better than expected US data, guys. Okay, so in the short term, the US dollar was still bearish, and right now it has rallied, so that's why we still need also confirmation. We still need confirmation on these markets. Yeah, US dollar, Canadian dollar. Yeah, right now I'm talking about this market. No, I don't have a buying setup right now, so no, I will not do anything here. Because why I don't have a buying setup? Only aggressive breakout through this line. Personally, I would have liked to see test retest before going long or something. But if it stays and stabilizes above these key levels, it remains to see. But I'm expecting. I'll wait for confirmation. Will you reply or not, sir? Why? On what? When pre-sale announcement, please reply. No, yeah, I will keep you updated, guys. Yeah. But you will notice. Yeah, because I will have different entries and maybe a different approach. Confirmation, okay. Pending order of GBP Japanese yen is still valid. Will you reply or not, sir? So I'll be GBP Japanese yen. Yeah, that is Orlando's pending order. So you'll have to wait for Orlando to come back to you guys to update on his pending order. Yeah. So as long as it's still, as long as you don't have an update to delete it or something, yeah, it's still valid. Okay, thank you. So US dollar, Swiss franc, yeah, it has found support on this uptrend line because personally, in the short term, guys, I was looking at something today. If the price would have confirmed its breakdown. Okay, I'm asking about secret pre-sale. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Sorry about that. Yeah. But I believe that you need Rohira, you need to join that new Telegram group, Dash to Trade, yeah, and you will find out more information soon. Okay. Yeah, for now maybe it's still a secret project or something. Learn to Trade, the team worked at this new project the last I don't know, 8 months or something. So yeah, but please join that Dash to Trade new group, Telegram group, and yeah. I cannot tell you too many things here right now. You already know a few things from the Telegram groups. So yeah, okay. US dollar, Swiss franc. It remains to see if this will be only a false breakout with great separation, a pin bar, spike here. No, I don't like the price action. New Zealand dollar, US dollar for now, because right now it's premature, guys. As I've said, I really need confirmation. Also, yeah, maybe here we had something. Please take a look. Confluence area here at the intersection between the R1 and the lower medium line. Okay, so aggressive breakdown signaling downside continuation, but it was. I'm still waiting, as I said, here on the dollar index, because we'll have maybe fresh opportunities, new US dollar longs, if the dollar index comes back, will come back down to retest the immediate support levels or broken levels, or if it will make in the short term something like a range, extended range, sideways movement to consolidate its upside movement. Okay. Yeah, I will keep an eye on the US dollar, because right now, yeah, I really want to catch a new potential US dollar long, and that's why personally I've also invited the swing trading groups here as well. Also because maybe we can catch something like a strong US dollar long, and this maybe will share potential trade also in the swing groups. Okay. Australian dollar, US dollar. So strong downside movement, temporary rebounds. Okay. Rebounds and then a new lower low, downside continuation. Right now also after its amazing sell-off and downside movement, it has failed here to make a new higher high, only false breakouts, guys. Okay, so yeah, maybe this could be something for the swing trading group, but right now rejection from the uptrend and from below the weekly pivot point. So this could represent a bearish pattern, a downside continuation pattern. Okay, and that's why I'll keep an eye on this new pattern here, because I really want to catch a downside movement. Okay, so this could still be this could be good also for the swing groups, but when I'll have a high probability trade, yeah, I will share it. Okay. Because right now a strong reaction from this level, but as long as it stays below 0.6530, this could represent a triangle of rising wedge or something. Okay. Okay, so gold, guys. So I've talked about this this major downtrend line earlier in that daily video analysis, and please take a look here. Yeah, it's failure to stabilize above it, and I've said that I will look for potential longs if the price will come back and if it will stabilize above high. What do you think about New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc for our resume downside, or is short right now? I have a sell stop. Gold 1697. Yeah, it's your call, it's your sell stop. 97, 97.78. Okay, around these levels. Yeah, okay, it's up to you, it's your call. Personally, I don't have a pending order, I don't have a trade, I don't have a setup in gold right now, and yeah, it has crashed only because it has crashed also because the dollar index rallied in the short term. And yeah, as I've said earlier in that video, it could come back down towards this uptrend line. Yeah, but I said that I will look for longs if it comes back here, and if it makes a new higher high, this could also be good for swing trading, guys, because if it makes a new higher high here, if it activates a potential larger growth, then maybe we can look also for potential swing trades here on this market on gold. And I said that I will look for potential shorts only if the price drops from this pattern, if it stays below the downtrend line, and if it makes only false breakouts. If it makes a value breakdown here, then maybe I will look for potential shorts here in gold. Right now we need to wait. Silver, guys, yeah, silver crashed. I've talked about silver yesterday, also today, and I said that I want to see a retreat after this amazing rally. Okay, right now it has reached this confluence area at the intersection between the uptrend line with the R2. So let's see if it finds support here on these former highs. It could still try to come back higher. Let's invite more members. Okay. Okay, so if we're looking for US dollar long, then gold should fall, right? Yeah, but right now we don't have confirmation in gold. We don't have confirmation also in dollar index. Okay, right? So that's why I'm still waiting confirmation on the dollar index. That's why I'm not already long on the US dollar after this strong rally. Okay, I want to see a consolidation, accumulation, temporary retreat, and then yeah, maybe I will look for potential longs. It could come back to retest also this key level, 110.77. Okay, and so okay, we don't have a strong negative correlation like the correlation between the dollar index and Euro USD, but we still have a correlation, in my opinion. As you can see, when the US dollar rallies, appreciates, when the dollar index jumps higher, the price of gold drops. Okay, so yeah, when I'm looking for potential US dollar longs, I don't want to be long on gold, or it depends. Okay, if I will look for something like US dollar long, or to buy the US dollar on medium to the long term, yeah, I could look for gold shorts, sorry, gold longs as well in the short term, something like this. Yeah. So US oil, because someone asked me about US oil. Yeah, US oil. US oil. Let's take a look on the economic calendar. So crude oil inventories better than expected. So below expectations is better than better for the price of oil. Okay, the economic indicator was reported in the negative territory. Okay, so that's why right now the price of US oil really is shit. Only because let's take a look on the 4-hour. On 4-hour. Okay, thanks for explaining. Yeah, thank you. So US oil breakout through the downtrend line and also breakout here above the medium line of the ascending pitchfork. Oh shit, we've missed something here, because as you already know, I've talked about longs here. It has dropped, it has invalidated my potential setup. Yeah, I've had a setup here. Shit. Not this one. This one. I talked about new higher highs here, but the price dropped below my stop loss here, and that's why I didn't send my setup, because I've talked about this setup, about this long opportunity in my, I believe in my previous webinar on Friday. Yeah. So breakout, retest, and this candle signaled strong upside pressure. Let's see if we can still catch something. After its amazing rally. 88.29. The price could be different. So the only reason why I'm not trading US oil too often is only because the price could be different from trading view. Could be different here on our Learn to Trade real account. USA let reserves out, so price should decrease. Right now, technically no. In my opinion, technically no. And also fundamentally, after better than expected US, better than expected, better for the price of oil, for the crude oil, below expectations data could help the price of oil to increase in the short term, in my opinion, but it remains to see. So breakout, retest, maybe I've missed an opportunity to place a pending order here, a buy stop, because here it could be maybe too late to place a buy stop right above today's high, right above 88.29. Yeah. because right now it has reached also the channel's upside line. Maybe I'll wait, and further consolidation accumulation here could still bring us long opportunities here in US oil. Okay. Bitcoin. Yeah, it has retreated a little after reaching 20,381. So if you are a swing trader, personally, maybe I will look for potential swing trades, long opportunities here in Bitcoin after. Okay, we are still in this range. A new higher high and a very breakout here could signal a potential upside movement, and then I will look for short-term trades, and also maybe I will maybe a short-term trade could turn into a swing trade, okay, as well. Yeah, after maybe managing the position, after taking some profits, or after moving my stop loss at break even, then maybe I will delete a potential take profit and I will let it ride. So right now, sideways movement here in Bitcoin, breakout, and after retesting here, a new higher high could signal potential growth. Same situation here on Ethereum. Also here, okay, sideways movement. We are still inside of this range, and as long as it stays above this uptrend line, the bias is still bullish in the short term, okay, because in the short term on lower time frames, because as you already know, the bias is bearish on medium to the long term. But in the short term, after failing to make a new lower low here, okay, and after failing to approach and reach at least this this former low, sideways movement right now, sideways movement. As long as it is above the pivot point, above this uptrend line, above 1,281, this could be only a temporary retreat. And right now Ethereum drops because the price of gold, because the price of Bitcoin dropped as well. Because as you already know, when the price of Bitcoin drops, the altcoins could drop as well. Okay, and when the price of Bitcoin rallies, altcoins could approach and reach new highs as well. Also here, Ethereum, an upside breakout from this pattern, and here, yeah, I could really signal larger upwards movement, larger growth. So yeah, right now Orlando is long on Ethereum. Is long on Ethereum, so you'll have to wait for his management if you are if you followed his trade. Yeah. Okay. Also, don't forget, guys, about the US dollar. Yeah, because I talked about confirmation, about gold as well. Don't forget that. I will take a look on the economic calendar. Don't forget that we'll have the non-farm payrolls on Friday, average hourly earnings and unemployment rate, high impact events. Yeah. Also here, Canadian data. So the economic data could move the markets, could really shake the markets. Also tomorrow, yeah, unemployment claims. But on Friday you'll have to be careful. I will go live also maybe tomorrow or on Friday. Maybe on Friday during the non-farm payrolls publication. Okay. So Giovanni, Orlando is long Ethereum and the crypto channel of Learn to Trade is short. So yeah, Orlando is long, as you already know, and he's in profit on Ethereum. And yeah, but don't forget that Giovanni Orlando is long Ethereum, something like a swing trade, maybe tries to build a swing trade on Ethereum, so not short term. Okay, that's why it's long. And right now Ethereum drops. Okay, so if you are looking for a larger move, and if you are using a stop loss here, yeah, you are fine. Okay, Giovanni. Or in the short term, if you are short, it's fine as well. Okay, if you identified a short position here, yeah, after this upside movement in the short term, I don't know exactly the trade in the crypto group, because I'm not managing the groups, I'm not sending the trades. But please take a look here. After this upside movement, maybe test, retest, false breakouts. Yeah, right now you could be in profit as well. So you can be in profit on a medium to the long term, a long position right now. And if you took a long position here, and you can be also in profit if you are short on Ethereum in the short term. So yeah, that's why I'm asking all the time, guys, please tell me what you're looking at, please tell me your time frame, because yeah, you can be long or short on the same asset at the same time, but on short term, long term, medium term, on different time frames. Yeah. What's your opinion on US30? And yeah, so US equities. I talked about Ethereum and Bitcoin in the short term. US 100 first of all. Let's take a look. Yeah, sell off only because the DXY rallied. Yeah, US 30 also here, but as you already know, maybe I don't like to trade US equities key level too often. They are both swing trades, crypto channel entry with stop loss and TP. Yeah, I will take a look on that. But yeah, different traders, Giovanni. Yeah, because as you already know, I'm not sending trades in the crypto channels. Orlando is not sending trades in crypto channels. Okay, so every trader is different. Okay, it remains to see. US 30. After this strong rally, maybe this could be temporary retreat, and if it finds support here, and if the US data will come in worse than expected tomorrow and also on Friday, this could be only a temporary drop, and then boom. Okay, in US 30 on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. But also, Giovanni, Orlando is still in profit with a long position. So, yeah, it's fine. It remains to see. It could continue to move sideways in the short term. It remains to see. Okay, and in my opinion, only new lower lows could activate a deeper drop, downside movement. But yeah. US 30. This is my opinion about US 30. US 500. US 500. Same here. A retreat, sell off only because the US data came in better than expected, and only because the dollar index rallied. But I don't have a setup right now. I don't want to trade it because it's almost to hit these former highs here. Okay. So nothing really good right now. Yeah, only US oil. Only US oil. Maybe I will send something. I will keep an eye on it. And as I said, coming back down to test retest 87 psychological level 87.0101, the medium line. Could signal potential upside continuation, maybe. Yeah, so this could be the only setup right now, but yeah, I talked about long potential long from here, and I've missed an opportunity to place a trade. And also let's take a look on 8 cap, because the price is different, or also maybe sometimes also the price action, and that's why, yeah, I really don't like to trade the crude oil. Maybe where is US oil? Let's take a look. US oil, okay, 87.77. Please take a look, 87.56. That's why also it's when I'll send a trade, and if I'll send a trade, you need to understand the thought process and the rationale, because yeah, personally I will send a trade based on MetaTrader 4 on real account, okay, 8 cap, yeah, and not based on here TradingView, TVC or something, yeah, a different brokerage company. So, but you need to understand the thought process, the rationale, because the price could be different also at your brokerage company, and you need to understand that if I want to go long above this former high here, I don't know, it could be 88.50, here it could be 88.65 or 70 or something. So, but right now I'll wait. Yeah, I really wanted to show you. So yeah, Orlando's longs in Ethereum are in profit. Yeah, Giovanni, okay, if you have questions, Mr. Moonshire, I really like these little webinars. Your breakdowns really help. Thanks. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Alex, someone asked Alex, if you are still here, I will take a look right now. New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc. Personally, I'm not trading on this market. So 4 hour, resume downside or reverse. Short right now. I don't know, and I will not tell you what to do. As you already know, I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor. I will not tell you what to do. So yeah, downside movement, and we have something like a key level here, 0.5513. But I don't know exactly your position. Yeah. Australian dollar, US dollar, possible. I don't know how to pronounce your name. Are you from Cyprus? From Greece? The last question. Australian dollar, US dollar. I've talked about that possible reversal. Do you talk about an upside reversal, Or do you talk about a downside movement after a reversal? If it will turn to the downside again after its temporary rebound. Yeah, I've talked about that market. New Zealand dollar versus the Swiss franc. So right now, personally, I cannot talk about a potential upside reversal here, as long as the price is located below the immediate highs, former highs. Okay. Sideways movement, a new higher high could signal potential upside movement. So 4 hour, yeah, this is 4 hour. So after this breakout here, a new higher high, yeah, could signal an upside. Yeah, Cyprus, yeah. Yeah, great. Yeah, it has found support here on this key level 0.5513, breakout, retreat, and in my opinion, a new higher high could signal potential upside movement, but no, I will not talk about a reversal. Yeah, it could register a larger rebound for now. Okay, because right now it's still is located below the 23.6. Yeah, it could come back higher towards 50% retracement level, 61.8% retracement level. Okay. Okay, uptrend reversal. Yeah, on that market, Australian dollar, US dollar. Let's take a look. Upside reversal only from above 0. But reversal, not reversal. Also here as well, because reversal, please, we have this major downtrend, downside movement. Okay, so I will not talk about reversal. Reversal is when the price will jump above these former highs and then it will develop a larger upwards movement. In the short term, yeah, a larger rebound. Okay, larger rebound from above 0.6547. Yeah, also here maybe it could come back higher towards the 61.8 before coming back down. It could come back to retest these former lows, but right now, as long as it stays below the resistance zone, resistance area, as I said, I will look for shorts. Okay, and the bias remains bearish despite this this rebound here on 4 hour, 1 hour sideways movement. Yeah, but after this sell-off, we cannot exclude the bullish momentum if the DXY will come back down to retest the broken levels. Okay, before jumping higher. Don't forget, guys, to like this this video. It will be helpful for me into the YouTube algorithm. Okay, Giovanni. Okay, thank you, guys. Okay, that's it for today. I will keep an eye on that US oil, and if I will decide to go long, I will share the trade. Okay. Okay. I don't know if I want to go long right now and to keep full risk trade during the Asian session, the APEC session. So maybe I'll have liking now. Rick, yeah, thank you. Thank you, Fred. Yeah, thank you, guys. Okay, thank you, guys. This is the only reason why maybe I don't want to place a trade right now, because I cannot monitor the trade during the Asian session while I will be in bed sleeping, and that's why maybe I will try to identify a long opportunity in the morning. Yeah, because it could still come back down, because okay, false breakdown with great separation through the R2 through the medium line, and maybe I would like to see a strong bullish candle also after this false breakdown. Thank you, master. We will be waiting. Yeah, thank you, guys. I will come back with setups, with trades. But Giovanni, please understand why I'm managing trades. Okay, I don't want to lose money. It's better to manage a trade. Okay, I've managed my trade here. Maybe I'll look for a potential trade also here on Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, if I'll see something here. But yeah, if it I don't know, drops, closes and stabilizes below also 105.72 here, if the yen basket continues to grow, then this market could continue to drop. So that's why, yeah, I've closed my I decided to manage my position, to move my stop loss at the break even. It's fine. Okay, and yeah, maybe too many break even trades from my side lately, but I don't know, I've lost the trades, only a trade in the last weeks, I believe, something like this. So Giovanni, it's fine to be maybe at break even or something compared to lose money. Yeah, so yeah, when you think that I don't know, the price could turn against you, or when the price turns against me, maybe personally I will manage it. I will close it at break even. I will look for something else. Yeah. Thank you again. See you next time, tomorrow or on Friday, to talk about the non-farm payrolls. And yeah, I will come back with new potential trades. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, right now it has reached this confluence area. Let's see, but after these false breakouts and test retest here of the medium line, yeah, it was somehow overbought, but also again, it's up to you how you want to manage your positions, because yeah, I was in profits around maybe, yeah, 60 pips or something here. Okay, 60 pips, but my take profit was higher, around, what, I don't know exactly, around 200 pips. So that's why I didn't took profits here. I've let the position ride. Okay, maybe my take profit was here. Yeah, so that's why. Okay, what, it is possible to settle break even with MetaTrader 4? You move your stop loss at break even. Yeah, there are guys, it depends on your brokerage company, because there are brokerage companies when you will have something like expert advisors or all kind of something like an updated or a different platform, you can do a lot of things, yeah, to close partials, to I don't know, to do a lot of things in your platform in a different way. Okay, but yeah, okay, thank you guys, thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.